Now we'll set up our meta tags. First of all, you'll want to set up the global meta tags. These are sort of the defaults, and then you can override them in your post if you want. So go to meta tags. If you want to put a copyright in, you'd put it in here. A GeoURL is a geographical location, longitude and latitude, latitude, longitude. Global keywords, you put them in here. Then your robots, you can choose here whether you want them indexed or not followed. This is generally the one you'll want. The auto keywords vocabularies. So you select the ones that you want automatic keywords inserted into. And tags to show on the edit form. So when you're editing the post, it will show the description and the keywords. And the tags to output in the header. Okay, we're not going to use GeoURL. We'll save the configuration. Now if we go and we go back to content management. So now we'll just set up a quick story. Or we'll just set up a blog entry. It's a little easier. Okay, and then we could actually put custom meta tags in here if we want. Our description can go here. And our keywords could go here. Now if we were to just save this right now, and now we go to the blog, and we look at entry 2. If we were to view the page source now, you'll see that it put our meta tags in here that were from the defaults, our robots index, follow, and our keywords, German Shepherd. We don't have anything there for our description because we didn't put it in, and then our copyright's up there. Now, if we go and we edit this, and now we put some description in here, we can put our keywords in, and just put in shepherd, and now we submit. And then we'll go back to our blog with entry 2. And then we will view the page source again. Made a description entry, so it's picked out our description. And there's shepherd there. So I just added that to our global keywords, it looks like. Not sure if that's how it's supposed to work, but that's how it's working. And then our index and follow is still coming from our global meta keywords, our global meta settings. So that is how you make your blog search engine friendly by using the Node Words module. We can actually bring news in from other sites to show on our menu if we wanted to do that with our news aggregator. So what we can do is go to Content Management and then go to News Aggregator. Now here we have to have a category and a feed. So we'll get a category first and we'll just call this dog news. And you can put some description here if you want and just submit that. Okay, now we would add a feed. So give this a title, from dogs.com, say. So then we go to a site and we get an RSS feed. And all you have to do is find a symbol like this, right click, and then copy the link location. And then come back to your aggregator and paste it in here. And put it in dog items. Submit. Then we go into access control, and then we're going to want to set our access news feeds for our anonymous users, authenticated users, and to admin the news feeds to admin. And we'll save that. Now that we've set up our access roles, let's come back to the news aggregator again. And that is in our under content management news aggregator. Now to update right away, we can click update items and it will bring in any syndicated content. And said there is new syndicated content from dogs.com. So now if we go up and we look at our news aggregator, it brought in all the stories from other sites. Now if you don't like the heading news aggregator, let's go back to the menu. Roll down. You see news aggregator here. Let's edit that and just call this news or latest news. Submit. And now we have latest news, and the news is brought in from other sites. This allows your members or your subscribers to sign in and read news right on your site. As you can see here, I changed the theme and changed the logo up here. Now to do that, what I did was I went to the themes and I picked another theme. I just happened to pick Chameleon. Went into configure, and then I uploaded, instead of using the default URL, I actually uploaded a picture. And let's just go find another one. doesn't matter. We'll just use this one. And then we save. And it uploads a picture when we save. Maybe that picture was a little large. Anyway, so there's how you do it. Now let's just switch that back because that's too big. So be aware of the size of your picture before you upload it. Save the configuration. And we'll refresh. And there it is. So that's how you can update your theme with your own logo and make it look a little more like your site. You can add different themes to Drupal to use. You can have your own made. There's lots of them available on the internet, and there's some available here right at drupal.org. You just go to themes, and you can look in here and find one that you like. And then you can, I'll just download this one for instance. So this is Aberdeen. Now all we have to do is go to our control panel and file manager. Should be getting used to seeing this now. Go to public HTML, where we installed Drupal, into the themes directory, and now we will upload Aberdeen. Click on it, extract it. Now if we go back to our site and then into administer, site building, themes, there's Aberdeen. So we can enable that and set it as the default. There we go. Now we've changed to the Aberdeen theme. So it's just as simple as that to switch themes. Well, that's it. You've now learned all about Drupal. I hope you enjoyed the video series.